Actually, I would say that the friends that I have in Dawah, the friends I've made in Dawah, the ones that I call friends, that I'm inspired by, are not Northerners. They're mostly Yoruba people. I'm still more attracted to Yoruba brothers because if they accept the Sunnah and they want to practice it, they are more serious than any other person. Their commitment is more convincing. You can see clearly that the person is fully committed to it and does not make compromises concerning it. And that's mostly what you notice about tribes that are thought to be mostly absent-minded. When you say you consider these people absent-minded, they are influenced by westernization and all that. If you get any of them to commit to Islam, then you will find that their commitment is different, is unique. Wa alaikum salam. And that's what I've noticed about, the Yorubas, like the Igbos will keep saying they love the Islam of the Yorubas. Because, when an Igbo Christian says he loves your Islam, you know how beautiful the Islam is. So, you find that when Yoruba people embrace the Sunnah, it's like no other. In fact, they begin to even think that now your own Sunnah is questionable and you're lacking, you're this, you're that. And, tolerating you even becomes a difficult thing again for them. They begin to even think you are now a bid'i. So I've been influenced by that, and I've learned a lot from it, and I'm grateful to Allah that I met them. And I'm still more comfortable with the way the da'wah goes there, because that's where you see pristine Islam. And a lot of the times, when you want to apply that here, it even seems strange here. But I admire that about them. I've met a few Igbo people too. Of course, Igbo brothers have challenges practicing Islam in their place. So those of them who want to be very serious about Islam, most of the time have to leave the East and come to other places because it becomes difficult for them. Because of the challenges. You can see what is happening in the social media now. So they're saying they will kill them, they will do this, they don't want any Igbo in there, blah, blah. So that has affected them, but those of them who we relate with are here, and we relate very well. I remember when I went to Abakaliki one time for Dawah and so on, I met some of them. Most of them graduates, some in the NYC scheme. But then the Yorubas, Dawah in the southwest has influenced me a lot. And at the time, my own Dawah activities were mostly in the southwest too.
Allah.
In fact,
I was about saying that.
I'm more known, I was, because for some time now I haven't traveled there again. But I was more known in Ilorin, in Ibadan, in
Lagos,
those places than here in Paiko, than here. A lot of people who did not even know me here, were surprised if they traveled to
and they say they are from Paiko.
Anywhere, and they say they are from Paiko. I say, you know so and so. They say, we know him. So you get to see him. I say, that one is everywhere.